Good evening, children. Welcome to 6th standard social class. Students, last class we have started economics, unit 1, economics and introduction. In this class also we are going to continue the same lesson. Our country's economy is based on three economic activities. Already we studied. What are the three economic activities, children? Primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. Primary activities. What are all the primary activities? We studied in the last class also. That is agriculture, cattle rearing, fishing, minning, collection of fruits, nuts, honey, rubber, resin, medicinal herbs, and lumbering. In this class, we are going to see the secondary activities and tertiary activities. What are all secondary activities and tertiary activities we are going to see. Before we see the secondary activities, children, we have to see what is primary activities. What are all the responsibilities or what are all the duties of the primary activities we have to see. Agriculture is the primary occupation. Agriculture is the primary occupation. There won't be any kind of facilities like our cities. So when you go to villages, we have to see no facilities, no proper bus, no proper school, no luxurious houses and big shops, no proper bus stand, no railway station, no. So like this, say they don't have any kind of facilities. That is the nature of the village. At the same time, they get their basic needs fulfilled easily. But even though they are not have the different kind of facilities, they get the basic needs fulfilled easily. There are small shops. We have to see there are small shops here and there in the villages. Vegetables are grown in abundance. So even though they are not have different kind of facilities, they cultivated vegetables, different types of vegetables. Brinjal, lady's finger, tomato, green chilies, onions. So many vegetables they grown in abundance. Abundance means very large amount. Okay. Just like rice and pulses. They cultivate rice and pulses also. Though the sugar that is added in our milk, coffee and tea is produced in sugar mills. So we are adding sugar in different sweets items, no, especially in our milk, coffee and tea. So that sugar is cultivated in the village, that is called sugar cane. So after the grown up the sugar cane, they collected and they give it to the sugar mills. The sugar mills convert the sugar cane into sugar. Okay. Next one, the raw material sugar cane is cultivated in villages. Already I told you, no. From chilies to mustard, all those provisions used for food are grown in villages. So all provisions, that is what are all the eating materials. So everything is cultivated in the villages. So Mahatma Gandhi said, villages are the backbone of our country. So these are all the very important activities of the village people for city people. No. So Mahatma Gandhi said, villages are the backbone of our country. It's understand, children. Okay. Next, we'll go to secondary activities. Secondary activities. First, primary activities we studied. The early man did what are all the work, no, that is called primary. What are all the primary activities, children? Agriculture, they cultivate. Okay, agriculture. Cattle rearing, they keep cows and sheep. And fishing, they catch the fishes in the river riverside, pond, and so different water banks. No, so that is fishing. And meaning collection of fruits from different trees. They collected fruits, different kinds of fruits, nuts, honey, rubber, resin, medicinal herbs, and lumbering. These are all primary activities. Now we are going to see what are all secondary activities. What are all secondary activities? The raw materials obtained from the primary activities are converted into finished products through the machinery on a large scale. These activities are called secondary activities. If I explain, you can understand, children. Primary activities. What are the work primary activities? For example, sugar. If you take sugar, sugar means the primary activities. The village people only they cultivate the sugar cane. Afterwards, when the sugar cane grown up, they cut off the sugar cane and they give it to the sugar mill. They give it to sugar mill. That is the machine. Okay, and the sugar mill convert the sugar cane into sugar. So that is the secondary activities. Understand, children? So interstates are classified on the basis of the availability of raw materials, capital, and ownership. So every interstates they have the owner, capitals. Okay, next one, on the basis of raw materials, interstates are classified as agro based interstates, forest based interstates, mineral based interstates, marine based interstates. For agro based industry, children, what are the things include? Cotton textiles, sugar mills, and food processing. So these are all belong to agro based interstates. Second one, forest based interstates, paper mills, furniture making, building materials. These and all belongs to forest based interstates. Third one, mineral based interstates, cement, iron, aluminium interstates. These are all belongs to mineral based interstates. Last one, marine based interstates. Marine based interstate. Marine means salt water. Where salt water is present in the ocean or seas. Okay. So marine based interstates, seafood processing. Seafood processing. So these are all secondary activities. Understand, children? Okay. Next one, we are going to see tertiary activities. Tertiary activities. Tertiary activities. I already told you that interstates produce goods and distribute them to the people. For this purpose, some services are required. These services are called tertiary activities or service sectors. The service sector serves the people to fulfill their daily needs like. I explain, children, you can understand. First one, transport. So what is the use of the transport, children? People wants to move from one place to another. They use different types of ways. People they used roadways and railways and waterways. Fourth one, airways. These four ways people use to move from one place to another place, or from one village to another village, or from one town to another town, or one country to another country. So these four ways used for moving people from one place to another place. So that is called transport. So this is the tertiary activities. Next one, communication. Next one, communication. What are all the method they used for communication? Post office. Next one, telephone. Next one, information technology, and so on. So these are all called communication. Those days and all, people, if you want to communicate message to other people, they write the letter. They write the letter, post it in the post office. The postman give it to the other person. And the telephone, nowadays we all are having mobile phone or a landline phone and so many things. Next one, information technology. This is the advanced type of communication. Okay. Next one, children, trade. Trade, procurement of goods, selling. So that is the buying and selling method. Buying and so many shops are present now nowadays. Everything for shops. If you go to market, what we like or what we want, if you give money we will get the things. So that is trade. Or small things or big things or small amount or big amount, everything is called trade. Okay, children. Next one, banking. Money transactions, banking services. So people go to bank. Different types of banks are here now. So the people, they save money in their account in the bank. So that is money transactions and banking services. The bank, those who are working in bank peoples, they service for the public, service for the people, that is called banking. Okay, children. So these are all tertiary activities. What are all the tertiary activities, children? Transport, communication, trade and banking. Okay, now you understand, children. So what are all the three methods of activities are here? That is economic activities. Three types of. First one, primary activities. Second one, secondary activities. Third one, tertiary activities. Now you all understand, children? Okay. Next one, we have to see this bus stand, bus stop. So transport, this bus includes in the transport, bus and the train. Okay. And this last one, bank. So these are all belongs to tertiary activities. Okay, children. Next come. So okay, this lesson finished. Now know the meanings of these hard words. So that is glossary. Consumer. Consumer means, children, the one who uses the products. Consumer, the one who uses the products. Commodity. Commodity means products. Occupation, work or job. Settlement, living place of human being. Living place of human being. Okay, children. Thank you.